is the cave that we have the historical survey. In 1960, when the archaeology anthropology investigation the first time the cave. It discovered inside the cave different elements of the pictographic drawing inside. O sea, pictografía de dos colores. Los colores rojos con hematita, óxido de hierro, y los colores negros con el carbón. We have two kinds of the pictographical drawing. The red color with a mineral like iron, and the black dos tipos, figuras humanas mezcladas con animales, los círculos concéntricos con un posible calendario. We have inside different geometric figures and different kind. We have the concentric cycle, another key interpretation for archaeology from Caribe, maybe calendar, and the human of the body and the face of the people, combination with the different kind of the animal. For that reason, I don't like interpretation. No me gusta interpretar. Hay diferentes opiniones, diferentes contradicciones. We have inside natural hole like a chimney, orificios naturales, chimenea. We have the root of the ficus plant introduced looking for the humidity. We have inside the ficus, the plant, the raíces de planta que entran buscando la humedad. We have inside the bat. You have bat? Where are you from?
Bat.
Where are you from? Russia. El letushimush.
Oh.
We have the murciélagos que no atacan. 5 especies. Comen fruta, insectos, polen y néctar de la flor. We have the letushimush que fly, eat the mosquito, the fruit, the pollen and the nectar of the flower. No ataque. Esta cueva en el pasado fue una montaña de arena. In the past, this cave was the sand dune que deposited the seawater in the last interglacial period from Canada, from the north. Deposited the sediment que become the rock when the peninsula que had the 2 million moved from into the plain inside, and the sediment que before deposition and compression solidificate mares, lo de hielo, los mares penetraron por largos periodos dentro de la península que tiene 2 millones de años, depositaron sedimentos, y estas montañas de sedimentos de materia calcárea y de arena se consolidaron cuando la península se movió bajo el agua, y esos movimientos, esa deposición de sedimentos se fosilizó, se compactó en medio de la península, que ahora está en cobertura de roca. El agua trabajó a través de grietas y formó la cueva. The water erosion above the rock and for decay in the past. Nosotros cobramos por la entrada 5 euros por persona o 5 dólares por persona la entrada a la cueva. We collect for visitors de Pichera, de Resunki, de Indieski, de Aborigen, de red with the ocre, and the black with the Uger. We have Nietrogo, fotografía that. That's okay. The Resunki, the Indieski, the 2000 before Christopher Columbus. We collect for visitors 5 euros or $5 por person. Visite de Pichera. Okay?
Wow.
The other pictographical drawing. Look at that here. Okay.
Sí.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please. Look at that here. Graphical drawing.
Wow.
Look at the seal at the back, the group at the back. No, never attack you. Don't worry. Look at
That's
that
too
here.
close.
No, never attack you. No poison.
Okay.
No poison. Fly because listen you, but not attack you. Okay. Look at that here. Please come with me. Graphical drawing. Okay. Look at that here. Okay.
Sí. Sí.
Behind you here. Okay. This is the fourth salon. We have a big hall, Dolina Doline. In this part of this gallery, we have the other pictographical drawing. The Aborigine people que painting the past, use case ceremonial. Look at that here. Maybe the sun and moon, okay?
Sí.
Represent the sun and moon, okay?
Sí.
Please follow me. Stalactite, very big in this cave. stalactite. Here on the gallery, the end, the archaeologists found the remain the bone of the Aborigine people in this area. Maybe was the ceremonial plate. That's okay. Now we don't have. Okay.
I see.
The bone. In this moment, we have the museum. Come with me. I visited the other part of the cave. Look at that here. Show the picture.
Right.
They painted with the charcoal. Please. Look at that here. No, never attack you. Never attack you.
That's
No
too
problem,
close.
No problem. Look at that here. Okay.
See.
Please. This is a triangle. Okay, painter, that's okay.
Yeah.
Come with me, the fourth salon.
Ay. There are too many bats.
Never attack you, don't worry. The fourth salon of the cave. Look at the bat on the ceiling. And the roots of the ficus plant into you looking for the humidity. The other group, the stalactite.
Right.
And the last, the cave, okay?
Okay. Wow.
It's very small cave.
It's a small cave,
Yeah,
but
small
it's
cave.
alive.
I visited many caves in my life. The big cave,
This
for
is a
50 kilometers, 40 kilometers. Yeah. I'm exploring and diving and climbing.
This is big enough for me.
Yeah. I to begin the Sociedad Speleológica in Cuba in 1973.
1973.
I begin.
You began.
And exploring the cave and investigation of the cave.
Oh, you're a
My
cave
professor
specialist.
Geology.
Geology, amazing.
Geology and practiced speleology for many years. To begin in 12 years, now 66 years
66.
old. Yeah.
Congratulations. Congrats.
Okay, look at the group of the bat.
Oh my goodness.
Now we have many bats with the baby.
Right.
It's the reproduction scenes on this moment.
I've never seen bats this close. I've never seen bats this close.
Okay,
Wow.
come back. Okay,
Yeah, okay, yeah. See.
we have a small gallery. This is the end. Okay, the two gallery is very small. And the big gallery, this is the end too.
Okay.
Okay, this is the end. Espera un momentico, voy para allá. Voy para allá, macho. Voy para allá. Este muchacho tenía un poco miedo ahí. Por el paso ese que tiene fuerte que está, tenía miedo a los murciélagos.
Los murciélagos tienen que ponerle miedo a él. ¿Cómo está?
Hola, Mara, hola.
Los míos son dos nada más. Dos portuguesas y creo que un grupo como cuatro colombianos.
Sí, ahora
Y el otro mundo ahí dos, pero
yo menos mal que trajimos para acá el grupo de acá, vamos para allá. Any question?
Oh,
No
no.
question, my friend.